Meaning of discrepancy.
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 Discrepancy. Discrepancy refers to a lack of consistency or agreement between two or more things that should be the same. It can take various forms, such as a numerical difference between expected and actual results, a failure to meet a standard or requirement, or an inconsistency in behavior or performance. Discrepancies can occur in many contexts, including scientific research, manufacturing processes, financial accounting, and personal relationships. In all cases, identifying and addressing discrepancies is critical for ensuring accuracy, fairness, and trustworthiness.